So gang just been getting on our nerves all day. We weird, and we wanted to know if we could stay with y'all because they stink and they're weird.
Yeah.
And we don't like their vibes. Like we're tired. I know we like front on the internet, but as for in person, they stink.
Right. What do you mean by stink?
Right.
Whisper.
Yeah. So we like don't think somebody like just on the like just talk like you just start talking. Yo, it's been me and yesterday at the thing, Damo kept saying how she felt sick and she wants to leave early, and we're just tired of like the boring energy. Like I'm getting very much boring. Like,
Oh, that's why like
we left.
if you come with us, you're not going to be bored.
Right.
And we have more than enough room. So.
Right. Should came with y'all. Next time we're gonna have to stay with y'all because this gang thing, we don't like it.
Yeah, y'all gonna love it over here.
They honestly get like weird vibes. They're weird.
My gift turned vibes.
How you do that? I don't know, but yeah, so we're like over the whole game thing.
It's like that too, though.
I think
We can be out the game.
yeah.
We never game.
It's really just like them four and then me and Jada. Yeah, all the time. We always feel so left out.
Yeah, now it's us four.
And we can't dance. So like they all be dancing.
And it's easy.
Well, they can dance.
Yes, easy.
Oh, y'all they can all dance. Oh, we can't dance. So like,
I can't dance on my fingers, so.
Oh yeah, I can't get nothing. Like it takes me days. But like they like downstairs today, it was like the pool. Like, me and her wasn't dressed, and they decided to take the video without us, trying to go viral without us. So we just gonna do our own thing. But then on top of that, I can't stay in the house with people that stink. Y'all feel what I'm saying? They don't stink. They don't stink. They got a weird scent. Yeah. But they don't smell good like me and Jada. It smells weird. All the videos. I'm talking so much. Anyways, let's just learn from the top. Like, so yesterday at the thing, what's your name? Dior. Oh, Dior. Oh my God. Our dog's name is Dior. She's an angel. She's so cute. Okay, sorry. Anyway, I feel like Dama was playing. I don't think she was really sick. I just think
No, because every song that came up, she started going like this. And then, oh, my stomach hurts.
Maybe she has it too, and she just didn't.
No.
And while y'all saying they stink, it's
Like,
she
go
probably.
in there and smell the bathroom right now in their two rooms, you would get the inch that me and her be having.
I feel like let's just pack these stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. Yep.
Yeah, we packing their stuff, so it's time for them to go. Y'all stay here now.
Y'all not wrong.
I'm tired of the stench, the
disrespect.
I think y'all need to use this a little more.
Oh, they took my spray.
Y'all need to use this a little more.
You're cold.
I found a new game. It's time for Get your stuff.
I'm gonna put my shoe on top of the other shoe.
Then
We
leave.
need it.
No, y'all.
We're just telling them about y'all. Get your stuff and get going.
That's the Damo Denny's.
Y'all are doing the next thing.
Ain't just going bad like that. Why would you do that? Which one of y'all did that?
That's
Okay, no, I just stuff back down. Now you're really
Wait, why y'all?
A mess. Describe them.
They're
A mess.
leaving.
We're
It's time for them to
leaving.
go, and they think we're
Why
playing
do
on
you
being
keep
dead
throwing
serious.
on top? We just put ourselves back in our room. Come on, you can help.
Come on, gang, line up.
Honestly, no twins. We're twins now. Who twins? Y'all twins?
We're twins. We're somebody slim. We're twins. We're just tall.
I see a bunch of hot girls. Y'all don't look. Like,
What y'all standing here for? Start putting your stuff in
no, we gotta put ourselves back in our room.
They not busting.
Not buzzing. Y'all need to buzz back to that black truck.
I just shut up.
They got our dirty clothes out.
They got our suitcase, y'all.
Don't touch my suitcase. I swear I'm gonna pick each one of y'all one by one out the door. It takes 5 girls to get in.
Y'all didn't pay for this Airbnb. Y'all not finna prep none in here. What's broken? What's broken?
I can't.
This will go on your tab.
No, y'all see too much.
What's broken?
Right.
Don't be your face.
Alright, can we talk real quick anyway?
I knew y'all already played. That's what.
We really need y'all to get your stuff and go.
Y'all can do this.
Alright.
Oh, let me just slow down. I was back up nice and neat.
So let's talk real quick. Come. Tell me.
Oh, y'all gang got stuff to wear tonight too?
Yeah. We just went to go
No,
deal before we got here.
yeah, we're matching with them now.
Y'all don't have no baseball jerseys.
We're not wearing baseball jerseys.
Cause
We're
all
wearing,
is black.
we're wearing something better. We're tired of dressing in baggy stuff. For y'all.
Y'all even dress like us.
We're dressing better.
You put on
Make sure baggy outfits.
For real. You tired of dressing in baggy clothes.
Okay, well we was just tell them what we said about them.
Y'all stink. You guys stink.
Y'all don't even know us. Y'all made a video.
Y'all just came here like 15 minutes.
And y'all were being weird to them, and they don't like the way y'all been treating them. So we're just gonna treat them better.
Yeah, we felt left out.
We don't leave them out.
SEMAJ, you
We don't leave them
treat
out.
them better.
No, you're not. We are.
And we love them more.
I've never seen it before.
Well, this is SEMAJ, and it's just time for y'all to
This
go
is
yours.
yours.
This is Kay, that's Lily.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen SEMAJ before. I ain't never.
Well, I'm sorry to bring it to you, but they're staying here now, so get out. Unless you guys are ready to sleep on the floor, sleep in the kitchen, and
No,
get
they gotta go buy
all y'all stuff is out here.
Who's the come on? They don't got stuff.
Where we got plenty stuff.
They do have stuff. They gotta bring it in. That's why we need to bring y'all stuff out. What aren't you guys getting? I don't understand what you're not picking up by now. Come on. You don't understand what you're not picking up that she's putting down. No, I don't know why she's
serious.
laughing. Like stuff is funny for me.
Wait, y'all all live in Detroit?
You're asking questions that doesn't
I
matter.
didn't ask you. Y'all all live in
It doesn't
Detroit?
matter. It doesn't matter.
I did.
It doesn't take much to catch a
I really
flight.
didn't
It doesn't
ask
take
you.
much to catch a
I didn't-
flight. You know. Yeah.
Yeah. You heard what she said. I don't know what you're squinting your eyes tight before, like you're mad about something. Just get your stuff and leave. So that's just what it's gonna be.
No, we speaking the truth, and if y'all can take it, then there's the door.
You can take it. I think you need to call your mom to pick all y'all up. Because we didn't leave it. We're staying.
No, we came here and we took over. That's what we did.
We're gang. But
Y'all can be y'all.
But y'all over there sitting on a couch.
Because we
Oh,
love
we
each
got our
other.
stuff in the rooms though.
Okay.
We're gonna go in there. Oh,
So let's just.
I'm pretty sure it took about 4 females. It took about 4 y'all just to take one suitcase from Danny.
Oh, really?
We weren't even trying. That's the thing.
SEMAJ, you just
We weren't
Does
trying.
it face?
We weren't
Oh.
trying.
Anna,
Jelly.
Anna, that's Jelly from Beth. Anna, I'm really tired of you calling your backup. I can't take Anna serious.
Is that what it is?
Get out.
Come out the door.
It's scary.
You're scared? I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
confrontation.
Come on,
It's a prank, guys.
I knew they.
They don't even care.
I knew they was.
But my thing is, y'all act tough. Like, okay, well, this is the new gang. Period. New gang. Period. Oh my God. She thinks she's almighty hawk.
Yeah, Randy, come on, help me, help me.
It's too many of them. They're solid.
Is it locked?
No,
they hold
We
it
can take
in.
over their room.
Let's go.
Oh, wish I was God, bro.
Go, get out there, bro. Shut up. Why would you do that?
I need a jacket.
Y'all all be in the room, too. Y'all all
Anna,
You're trying to clean it
shut
up.
up, Anna. Shut up, Anna.
Nice and neat.
Shut up, Anna. Clean up your own room, Anna.
No. Pick
This
everything
bed is
up.
so comfortable.
For what? Look, I know y'all wasn't throwing around. Y'all need to put my chains back on the dresser, nice and neat. You know what I'm saying? And
No, clean up. You need to clean up. You got pranked. You do the cleanup.
No, the prankers do the cleanup.
No, that's not how it works.
It's time for y'all to clean up.
That's not how it works.
If it ain't about the coins, we ain't hearing where the bag. Y'all ain't popping like us, you can't be serious. Can't be serious. Can't be serious. You can't be serious. Can't be serious. Y'all ain't popping like us, you can't be